In this video, we'll be installing the EZGLIDE2 ladder rack. This kit includes all hardware seen here. You'll also need these tools to complete this installation. For more detailed instructions, see manual included in kit. Using the damper rod, and an E-clip, install the eyelet end of the damper to the damper rod using the E-clip. Needle nose pliers will help with this step. Using screws, spacers, lock nut, washer, and damper rod, install the vertical ladder stop to each drop-down unit. Remove pre-installed clip on clevis inside. Slide clevis end over drive tube cam, and reinstall clip. Install the slide ladder hook on the slide down unit. Adjust depending on ladder dimensions and your preference. Add ladder hook support to both sides of the ladder stop prior to installing on crossmember. Using bolts and washers, secure the ladder stop in the desired location. Using bolts, nuts, and washers, secure fixed ladder stop onto the crossmember. Install 2 mounting feet per crossmember. Refer to table and diagram for mounting foot location and orientation. Only use 1 carriage bolt, washer, and nut per mounting foot. Repeat step of adding mounting feet to point B. Install the curved mounting bracket. Due to vehicle roof curvatures, some adjustments for final assembly height may be required after crossmembers are installed. Next, install each drop-down mechanism to the crossmembers. The end of the bottom bracket on the drop-down mechanism should line up with the end of the crossmember. Ensure the crossmember that has the drop-down with the slide is installed at the rear of the vehicle. Use tools and bolts to secure crossmember to the bar. Next, install vertical ladder stops at the end of each crossmember. Once you have completed assembling the crossmembers, move over to the roof to start step 7. Mount rear crossmembers to vehicle. Insert carriage bolts into each mounting plate. Then position mounting plate assemblies into channel in the approximate locations of the crossmember before inserting the roof mounting bolts and attaching the mounting channels to the van roof. Use pliers to help turn the cleat prior to installing the mounting plate. Insert 2 carriage bolts into the mounting plate. Use pliers to turn back the cleat to ensure the mounting plate is secure to the roof. Next, align the mounting rails to each mounting plate and screw. Then place on top. Place the bracket on top of the mounting rail, then secure the rail into place on the roof. For 159-inch wheelbase and the 159-inch wheelbase extended versions, the rear crossmember is mounted directly to the mounting point closest to the rear of the van. If not already installed, fit the mounting bracket around the rear mounting post on the ProMaster roof. Place front crossmember and bar onto the ladder rack. Using bolts and washers, then secure the front crossmember to the rail kit. Position the connecting tube on the drive tube until all 4 mounting holes line up, and install. Then repeat the process for the connecting tube on the front drive tube. Place rubber end caps on the end of the drive tubes. Next, install drive tube to rear drop-down mechanism by rotating and positioning tube until all 4 mounting holes line up. Then install the rear coupling to the drive tube using coupling bushing and clevis pin. Finally, adjust the ladder hooks to desired width. Be sure to test the ladder on the hook.